Welcome in, welcome in. I just picked up this Osume keyboard shelf on the drop yesterday. Just a quick unboxing and then compare it to check out the new rails and check out how it compares to the two-tier shelf. Okay. Comes pre-built in the box. Nothing special. These are the rails it comes with. These are the new designed rails, silicone. Supposedly won't mark your boards like the old rubber ones. There were some reports of it. I personally didn't have any issues with the old ones. So let's see how it goes. Comes bubble wrapped, pre-assembled. Okay, nothing much to it. That's it. Three tiers. Nothing crazy. Wood comes out. Pretty decent finishing. It just slots in here. It's free flowing. So it is kind of loose, but it doesn't really matter. It's just decorative. In terms of how the keyboards sit on it. Oh, wait, let me put the rails on. These are the new designed rails. Silicone. They do have this little flap that wraps around the bottom of the rail. Hopefully will help seat it better, but there's no adhesive. So let's just get these on here. They just slide on just like that. Nothing crazy. Please ignore the mess in my arcade there. My arcade hasn't been running since I joined the keyboard hobby. My previous hobby was retro arcades. I took a break because I was in the middle of taking apart my virtual pinball machine, which has like 100 wires, and then I was procrastinating, and then I found the keyboard hobby, and then my virtual pinball machine hasn't been rebuilt in over a year. It's just been in pieces. Okay, so there we go. Give you a closer look at this. The rails just go on like that. Kind of loose-ish. They wrap around the bottom a little. There's like a little flap that holds it. In terms of boards, sits like that. 1, 2, 3. Pretty nice. In terms of how it compares to the old one, this is the old one, the 2-tier. A little shorter. 3 tiers, the big brother. Let me populate this little guy so you guys get an idea. No issues with bigger boards like the Dallas or Tented with these little pieces here. You can still sit here. Now, there is some concern that it might it is resting on this metal piece, so probably not a safe idea right here. You could use a piece of padding here to see. The old rubber ones weren't as slippery as these silicone ones. These silicone ones, your keyboard will slide. The old rubber ones did not do that. So what I'll probably do is put another piece of rail here for the Dallas. There would be some concern of metal on metal here. Put it on the bottom tray. Give a little more room. Get another board. So the 2-tier and the 3-tier are pretty much identical, other than there's one extra shelf here and extra height. As you can see, they both fit on the desk, no problem if you want to put it on the side of your desk. This is the 2-tier. That's the 3-tier. Pretty good. Let me move this over here. It's kind of heavy. 3-tier. 2-tier. 2-tier is kind of cute. What do y'all think? Pretty nice little shelves. Display your goodies. That's it. I like them. I would have a little piece of padding on the metal here if you're using a ergo split that might touch it. But otherwise, pretty nice. Not too shabby. Let me know what y'all think, and if you picked one up,